Danone Wexford is the largest packing line for the Specialised Nutrition network. We had a mission to become the first carbon neutral factory in the specialised nutrition industry. We started our journey 10 years ago by giving the full commitment to our key milestones along our journey, which included the installation of the biomass boiler. We changed our heavy fuel oil boiler to gas. We certified our plant to ISO 14001 and ISO 50001. With the installation of the biomass boiler, we needed to make sure our supply of woodchip was sustainable. With the Kilkenny Leader Partnership, we created over 65 jobs and we impacted over 400 farm families in the southeast of Ireland. Danone Wexford then became the first carbon neutral factory in the SN industry in the world, certified by the Carbon Trust. We are delighted to win the Large Business Award. We've invested over €10 million. We've seen a reduction in our carbon emissions by 70%. It's huge for all of our employees and for the different partnerships that we've been involved in to make sure that this journey was a success and that we achieved a carbon neutral facility. I would like to thank our Nature and Sustainability Manager, Mark Stafford, all of our plant leadership team, our extended management team, and everybody who's been involved in this journey. Thank you very much.